back. Now, deassembling the clarinet. What you would then do, take your mouthpiece, take it off. Next, I would then loose my ligature. I would then place my ligature in the ligature case. You would never want to leave your reed on your mouthpiece, else mildew and mold will start growing within it, and you don't want that when you're playing, because you have to breathe in, you have to breathe through this horn. Next, I would then get my weighted cloth with a weighted end, and I would then push it through the mouthpiece. This is so that I can take out all of the saliva that I've been going through the horn. So I would then do this once or twice. Then, after that, I would then put my ligature back on, screw it on, make sure it don't get lost and out of place. I would then place it in the case. My next step, I would take my bridge off. Well, my barrel, I would take my barrel off. I would then do the same thing. Push it through, pull, place it in the case. My next step, I would then take off my upper joint of the clarinet. I would then squeeze down these top keys and then twist and turn. After I twist and turn, I would then get my cloth again, let it drop through, and you just pull. Pull so that this can go through and it cleans out the inside of the horn. I would then place this within the case. My next step, I would then take off the lower joint. I would then do the same thing again. Repeat this process over and over until I get each and every part of the instrument. Place my bell in the case. Now lastly, the lower joint. Let that go through and pull it through. I would then place it in the case. Then I would then wrap my cloth back up in a neat and formally manner and place it within the case. Next, I would then close the case. I would then latch both of the locks. There. And that is how you deassemble a clarinet.